to my channel. My name is Brittany, but guys, the next girl in the day, so you know, I kind of see her. Is that what my friend there with me right here, so and you can talking on video right here, so with me. So guys, my name is Brittany. I'm the new YouTube maker. We just make 10 subscribers, 7 likes. So we are going on about 40 something views. Yes. So today I'm going to talk about some ghetto artists them, like Spice ghetto. I mean like oh she stays, like one like some artists them when I come from Jamaica. They come from Jamaica but them act like they not come from Jamaica. You know them people say Spice talk where she come from real ghetto we talk like real ghetto people, Jamaica, Portland, straight nigga. Yes, right. So guys, next artist we will talk about Jada Kingdom, Twinkle. Then call me Twinkle. Alright, then one boy that takes me and say, me send you one picture. So yeah, the boy that takes me and send you one picture and him boy yeah he second Twinkle I come up. Me say no. And I say why you say that? He say nothing because you but I'm big. Yeah, so I say just keep off of that and go now and we've seen everything recently. So Jada Kingdom but heavy guys. So me listen and what Jada Kingdom but heavy. After guys, please anybody watches me just share our video on your status or something Facebook. Make them like, share, comment and subscribe. Hit the notification bell, guys. So you are going to hit the notification bell. So when you go run back, we go like something. Make one prank pam we auntie. We auntie. This time we are gonna do it. We gonna do it. And me I tell the girl beside me make one prank pam her grandmother with it and Wi-Fi there. So me tell her say to make one prank from her mother. Come look here. Anika, come show them my face. Make one prank from you. Come. See her there. That is she, my cousin. That's my next cousin. Yeah.